Welcome to the breathtaking Phi Phi Islands, home to stunning turquoise waters and a vibrant tropical island life. The Phi Phi Islands are an archipelago of 6 islands located in the Andaman Sea in southern Thailand, halfway between Phuket and Krabi. Phi Phi Don is the largest and the only place which is inhabited. The narrow strip of land between Tun Sai Beach and the Low Dalam Beach is the pulsating heart of the island, filled with bars and restaurants. I recommend first-time visitors to stay in this area if you want to enjoy the vibrant nightlife. However, if you prefer a quieter area for relaxation, there are upscale resorts elsewhere on the island.
Going to Phi Phi Don?
There are regular ferries from Phuket and Krabi to Phi Phi. The ferry from Phuket takes about 2 hours to reach the Tun Sai Pier. There is an entrance fee of 200 baht per person to disembark at Phi Phi. The journey through the tropical seas is as beautiful as ever. There are no vehicles at Phi Phi Don. We walked about a kilometer from the pier to the hotel. There are porters for luggage if you need help. A lot of the accommodation in the area consists of hostels and dorms catering to backpackers. There are options for independent rooms like this villa room at Hotel Ibiza House, which is decent enough for 2 nights and has an aircon, which is kind of a luxury.
The Ibiza pool party is one of the most talked about events in the area. Held at the Ibiza House, it's a wild, all-day affair where partygoers gather around a massive pool overlooking Low Dalam Bay.
Low Dalam Beach and Tun Sai Beach are the 2 heartbeats of Phi Phi Don, each offering a unique vibe and experience for travelers. Low Dalam Beach is known for its postcard-perfect scenery and relaxed atmosphere during the day, and turns into a vibrant party hub by night. During low tide, the water recedes, dramatically revealing strecks of sand and creating shallow pools across the beach. We spent some time exploring the streets and beachfront bars and cafes. The bars and restaurants on Phi Phi Island add so much to its lively and eclectic atmosphere. The little something for every taste and vibe. Restaurants offer a range of options, from authentic Thai street food stalls to international cuisine at cozy cafes and open-air eateries. Fresh seafood, often grilled and served with Thai spices and herbs, is a must-try. Whether you're craving pad Thai, wood-fired pizza, or a quick snack between beach hopping, Phi Phi dining scene has it all. As the night unfolds, many of these spots transform into buzzing nightlife hubs with music, dancing, and live performances, creating an exciting experience from dinner to late-night fun. As the sun sets, island transforms with an electric anticipation in the air. Slowly, colorful lights illuminate the bars and restaurants, and fire performers prepare for their shows. Excitement builds as the island pulses with energy, each corner promising music, dancing, and a carefree night under the stars. It's as if the whole island comes alive, ready to welcome travelers to a night of endless adventure and celebration. The party scene on the Phi Phi Island is vibrant, energetic, and renowned for its lively beachside atmosphere, making it a top spot for nightlife lovers. Tun Sai Beach and Low Dalam Bay are where most of the action happens. Fire shows, beach bars, and open-air clubs that get going once the sun sets. The vibe stays friendly and open, with partygoers dancing barefoot in the sand, socializing with fellow travelers, and enjoying the tropical island setting. It's easy to find a party that suits your vibe, from sunset to the early hours. With Songkran just around the corner, the island buzzed with excitement. Festivities began early, and the streets turned into impromptu battlegrounds of water and laughter. Music thumped from the bars, mingling with the sounds of laughter and splashing water, while strangers became friends, united in the spirit of celebration. Even the night air felt cool and refreshing, as if the island itself was ready to welcome the new year in a burst of life and joy. We rise up early next morning to take the sunrise tour of Maya Bay and Bamboo Island. Maya Bay shot to fame by Leonardo DiCaprio's movie The Beach. In The Beach, Maya Bay is depicted as a secluded secret paradise untouched by the outside world. This almost surreal depiction turned Maya into a symbol of the ultimate tropical escape. Maya Bay is located on the island Phi Phi, 15 kilometers south of Phi Phi Don. It was closed to public in 2018 as a temporary measure. However, extensive damage was observed to its ecological system, and it did not open again until 2022 with several restrictions. There is a ban on boats entering the bay directly. The boats now arrive at a pier on the other side of the island from where it is a short walk to the bay. The early morning tour helps to beat the boatloads of crowds arriving from Phuket and Krabi directly. We were actually the first boat to arrive, even before the official opening time of 7 a.m. Visitors typically have around 30 to 45 minutes here, providing enough time to explore the beach, take photos, and enjoy the beautiful scenery before moving on to the next stop. Our next stop is Pileh Lagoon. Pileh Lagoon is a serene emerald green cove surrounded by towering limestone cliffs, often considered one of the most stunning natural spots near Phi Phi Island. Known for its calm, shallow waters, Pileh is an ideal place for swimming, snorkeling, and floating around to take in the scenery. Boats usually anchor in the lagoon, giving visitors a chance to jump right in and explore the crystal clear water. Our final stop is Bamboo Island. After a quick 30-minute boat ride, you'll spot Bamboo Island on the horizon, with its lush greenery and pristine sandy shores greeting you as you approach. Once the boat docks on the southern side, you'll step out onto the soft, powdery sand that wraps around the island in a nearly perfect circle. The first thing that strikes you is the clarity of the turquoise waters, ideal for snorkeling. As you wade into the water, you'll spot colorful coral and schools of fish swimming close to shore, making it a great spot even for beginners. Because Bamboo Island is uninhabited, vibe here is purely natural, no hotels or busy cafes, just you and the sounds of the waves. Most tours offer a couple of hours on the island, giving you time to swim, snorkel, sunbathe, and fully soak in the peaceful ambience. A tour of Bamboo Island is all about that untouched island escape experience, perfect for recharging and enjoying some quiet moments surrounded by breathtaking scenery. As you approach Phi Phi Don at the end of the tour, the island starts to reveal itself in layers. As the boat gets closer, vibrant energy begins to reach you. It's the perfect way to end a memorable day of exploring Phi Phi's natural beauty. As the evening approaches, we treat ourselves to a dinner. The sound of gentle waves blends with the lively strumming of a guitar, as local musicians start up a mix of acoustic covers and island classics that add to the relaxed, carefree vibe of the evening. As dinner wraps up, the energy shifts to full-on island party mode. That concludes our 2-night trip to Phi Phi Islands. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments below.